Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Honda Accord backup camera. First, always confirm your gear selector is firmly in reverse. Sometimes a loose connection prevents activation. Next, check your display screen's brightness settings, as a dim screen can make it seem like the camera is not working. Finally, try turning your car completely off and then restarting it to perform a quick system reset. These simple steps often resolve minor glitches in just a few moments. Now, let's move on to inspecting the physical connections. Your backup camera is typically located near the license plate. Carefully examine the cable leading from the camera for any visible damage or loose connections. Follow the wiring as far as you can, checking for any signs of corrosion, kinks, or frayed wires. A compromised wire can easily interrupt the signal, causing your camera to malfunction. This step is crucial for identifying common electrical issues. Next, let's focus on the camera unit itself and system resets. Begin by gently cleaning the camera lens with a soft, damp cloth. Dirt or grime can significantly obscure the view. If your infotainment system allows, try performing a factory reset, which can clear software bugs affecting the camera. Always consult your Honda Accord owner's manual for specific diagnostic steps or unique system reset instructions. Sometimes, a simple software refresh is all that is needed to restore full functionality. If the previous steps haven't resolved the issue, you might be facing a more advanced problem. If you are comfortable, you could use a multimeter to test the camera's power supply for proper voltage. If the camera unit itself is faulty, replacement might be necessary. However, for complex electrical issues or internal component failures, it is always best to seek professional diagnostic service. A certified Honda technician has specialized tools to accurately pinpoint and fix the problem, ensuring your safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.